Lazy Girl Approved fam. I am back today with another wig review. The next couple I do are going to be just singles instead of my usual multiple colors, just because there was a couple of wigs where there was only one color that I really wanted. So I got that one color. And some of these do already have other people that reviewed them, but you know, the more the merrier, right? So we are going to start today with Bobbi Boss, and I seem to be going through like a blue and green phase right now or something. So this is Bobbi Boss MLF425 Andrina TT1B EMBLU. And I feel like it's probably going to be a little more on the Party City wig side type, whatever. But I could be wrong, so we'll see how this one goes. I have a thing for mint. And I still haven't found the perfect mint wig for me. So at least this one has mint on the top and then blue. So we'll see how that goes. So let's get her out of the package. And here are the other color options. I can't remember if they were available. I think I only focused on this one because this is the color I wanted. So I didn't even look. That other one, the reddish one, looks kind of pretty. Kind of pretty. And here's what she's looking like out of the package. The curls are gorgeous. Definitely the kind you have to like brush your, or at least finger comb through, but they're gorgeous. And here is her scalp and lace. It's actually a pretty wide plucked part. That's nice. All right, so let's get this cap going. Jeez. So we've got two combs in the front. It's open weft. Yeah, open weft. One comb in the back. I'm sure, yep, okay. So it seems like I've gotten a lot more Bobbi Boss now, and it seems like it's just some have combs and some don't. So I think maybe if I can think about this correctly, the ones with bangs do not have combs. The lace front have combs, which would make sense. And as I'm looking at this, I really like the fact that it has dark roots, and the way they do it blended in is really nice. So I think she's gonna look amazing. Let's see. She might not look like a Party City wig like I thought she would. And I don't say that to be offensive. It's just sometimes when they do these crazy colors, it can tend to look a little cheap. So let me cut the lace off and see what we're working with. Okay. All right. Lace is off. And we have some baby hairs. I left them on so y'all can see. Sometimes I leave the baby hairs. I don't lay them down, obviously. I know some people do. Some white women do, but I don't think it's appropriate. But sometimes I leave them just depending on how they lay, because I mean, I do have baby hairs that stick out like that, but you know, it all depends on what it looks like. Okay. I mean, if it would look realistic, I would just leave these curls because that's awesome, but we know it does not. So I need to find my comb. I don't want to brush the curls all the way out with a brush, but they need to be combed through. So let me go find that. Okay, found a comb and a back. Definitely makes a difference to comb it through. But if you liked that tight curl, you could get it wet and it would go back to that. So there's that. Okay. I definitely love the dark roots. Dark roots. And now that I am growing my hair back, at some point I will be able to blend my dark hair in when I have dark roots. So there's that. My makeup is so messy. Oh, just smeared it. Because I'm a dumbass. Okay. So that's what she's looking like, brushed out mostly. She's still definitely super, super duper curly. And honestly, I almost want to straighten her. I almost want to straighten her. Because I think it would be absolutely gorgeous. So if I decide to do that, I will show you guys. It won't be today though. Okay. And if I had a bigger space to work in, to do this in, I might do more with all these wigs, but right now I'm just in my bedroom. And I have to have my bedroom is my office also. And my YouTube space, so I'm a little scrunched in here, but that, oh, I just stabbed myself in my eye. And my makeup's just going everywhere. It's just, oh, also, okay. Yeah, I'm a mess right now. But this is what she's looking like. She's definitely pretty. I like the mint mixed with the blue, and it doesn't look as party city as I thought it would, but it is that full body. I don't know what density it is, but you know, where it's a little less realistic to me, because most people don't have this much freaking hair. Now the plus side is you can put a bunch to the back and still be looking cute up front and not showing stuff off in the back. So there is what she is looking like. I feel like I should have makeup smeared all over my face. It's been a long day. This is like the 10th wig review I've done so today. That's neither here nor there. Okay, so let me go give you guys a 360 look of what she looks like. Okay, now that you've seen the 360, what do you think? I think that she is gorgeous. I don't think that anyone would mistake it for my hair necessarily. Maybe if I straightened her or thinned her out and or both, it might look a little more natural. It definitely works for a fun night out, for videos, for sure. I really do love the color blend. They complement each other, but it's just a little too thick and curly to be really realistic. So let me know what you guys think in the comments, and thanks for hanging out with me. I will see you next time. Bye, guys.